Hello, good evening. I'm Farzana and I'm happy to hear I completed my bachelor degree in commerce in the year 2019, and today I'm going to explain about organizational culture Google versus Amazon. In that, I'm going to tell you first of all about the introduction part. In this presentation compares the organizational culture of tech giants Google and Amazon through visual analysis of their work environment. Here they are explaining about the organizational culture of tech giants and Google Amazon. With the help of using the environment, we will explore how office design reflects company values, collaboration styles and employee experiences. And in this I'm going to show you different types of slides. The formality in the workplace. Here the Google will use the known for its casual, playful and atmosphere. Employees often dress informally and enjoy flexible work areas. So Google is using like informally workplace and flexible areas to work the people. And the next one is formality in the workplace. So wherever they are working, it will be a formality in the workplace. And Amazon, more traditional office setting, business casual attire is common, reflecting a more formal approach. And in the next, I will tell you about the staff organization in Google. We will start from the CEO. In this CEO, we are having it three different types: research and development, marketing, and sales. So in that research and development, we will again divide with the help of like project lead. Here we will divide with the different types of project. First of all, project lead A will show the engineer, and the project lead B will show the engineer, and the project lead C will show the engineer. So here research and development is showing the project related to the engineer. And in this marketing, the second one is marketing. In that marketing also a different types of designer. So engineer will use the design for doing the salesperson. So here the third one is sales. Here also we are like showing salesperson. So with the help of this, we can understand that flat hierarchy with small autonomous teams emphasizes on individual creativity and innovation. It has a matrix organizational structures. So here the staff organization in with the help of Amazon, more structure hierarchy, teams organize around specific products or services. So we can say that with the help of this Amazon organizational structure, it in nutshell. So here also different types of that. The Amazon organizational structure is predominantly hierarchical with elements of functional base structure and geographical divisions. While using the Amazon, they started as a team learn flat organization. In the year of like early years, like it will be a early years, it transited into a hierarchical organization with its jobs and functions clearly defined as its skill. So here also they are using the CEO with three types: VP sales, VP marketing and VP engineering. It is a different like three types of CEO they are using over here. And the next one is status and power differentials. So here also they are showing like open floor plans, executive spaces and meeting rooms. With the help of, first of all, they will show the open floor plans. Wherever they are showing the open floor plans, they will open. Workstation designs are adopted by both companies, but their goals are not the same. Here the work spaces, like whatever the place is there, it is designed by the, like both the companies will design, and the goals are not the same. Their goals are different. Executive spaces, with the help of executive status, they will use the Google less distinction, Amazon more visible executive areas. And the last here is meeting rooms. With the help of the Google creative names, Amazon number for efficiency. Whatever the like meeting rooms will be there, they will use very efficiently. Next one is core value. With the help of Google innovation, colorful spaces, creative zones and playful elements encourage out of the box thinking. So with the help of core value, they will do the like creative things. and with the help of the core value only, they will efficiently functional spaces, like whatever the functional spaces will be there, they will do the minimal decoration, focus on productivity and result. For taking the good productivity and result, they will focus more with the help of these decorations. And the collaboration and teamwork is very important over here. With the help of collaboration, Google spaces will lead abundant meeting ports, lodges and open areas for spontaneous interaction. With the help of the open areas, lodges and spontaneous interaction, they will use the collaborative spaces. And with the help of the collaboration, the team is also very important. Here Amazon's function approach is like more traditional meeting rooms and desk clusters for team discussion. So here also, like, Amazon will use the a very efficient and more traditional meeting rooms for taking the meetings in the with the help of what. Next is work life balance. With the help of the work life balance, Google on-site gyms, game rooms and relaxation areas promote work life integration. For being a good and healthy life, we will also important for taking in the gyms, like game rooms, like whatever the physical things will be there, it's showing over here. So in the work life balance, we are again will see that Amazon focus on productivity with fewer recreational spaces, emphasizes on work efficiency. So here the Amazon is also showing that with the help of whatever we are doing the work in our balancing life, we can also interact the people with efficiently while using the spaces of place. Here I will tell you about key takeaways. In this also, there are different types of things are there. First of all, the culture reflection, and the second is innovation approaches, and the last but not the least is employee experience. So here the cultural reflection is one, office designs has a strong connection and correlation with the organizational culture or the values of each company. So here with the help of cultural reflection, they will design a strong connection with the help of the correlation and the whatever the cultural organization they are interacting with the companies. They will also use innovation approaches. With the help of this innovation, it is also important, they both consider innovation as an important strategy. However, they prioritize it in different physical entities and cultures. So innovation approach is also very important in a key takeaway. Employee experience, whatever the employees are there, they are having the experience in organizational environment, influences aspects concerning employees, their experience, motivation and performance level is also very important. So whenever they are experiencing the employee, they should have the good experience and a good motivation for doing the better performance level in the organization.